Hello again. Today we're going to be talking about making connections. Now when I make a connection, it's going to remind me of something that's happened either in my own life, something that's happened in another story, or something that's happened in the news or in history. So whenever I read stories, and what good readers do is they also think, well, what does this remind me of? And we try to make connections while we read. The book that we're going to be looking at today is Much Bigger Than Martin by Steven Kellogg. Yes, Much Bigger Than Martin, Story and Pictures by Steven Kellogg. Sometimes it's fun being Martin's little brother. But I hate it when he says, let's form a line. The biggest is first, the smallest is last. Then he makes me play his stupid games. Oh dear. And when we go to the beach with his friends, he says, you're too small to swim to the raft. And when he cuts the cake for our dessert, he says, the biggest person gets the biggest piece. And I'm going to stop right there because I have a connection. So on my connection sheet, I'm going to go ahead and I can make a story to self connection because it reminds me of something that's happened to me. So I'm going to draw my picture, and I wrote, my brother always ate the last cookie. So it reminds me of what Martin does to his brother in this story of always taking the last piece of cake. Well, I can understand that because my brother, when I was growing up, always managed to take that last cookie out of the cookie jar. So I circled, this is a story to self-connection, and then I drew my picture and I wrote my connection. My brother always ate the last cookie. So now it's your turn. As you're reading your stories, what connections can you make? Go ahead and draw your connection and then write about it. Happy reading.